Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy ironing board on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is a online shopping marketplace that delivers the product to consumer directly from China and provides a 90 days return policy. So let's get started. So TEMU.com we have to go. Okay. Then here we have to search for ironing board. Okay. So here we can see, so there are many types of boards, so you have to select according to you. So I'm going with this as $5.24. Okay, so here we can see the ironing board. Okay, so basically this board helps to keep your clothes in a like a table form, and you can perfectly iron your clothes without uh, damaging them. So this is a small board and it is foldable, and it is easy to organize in household, and it's come with a stand, and it is foldable and portable. So here we can see the size guide. Okay, so it comes with a 4 colors types. Okay, you can read the description by scrolling down. So this board looks like this. Okay, you can see, and this comes with a 26 centimeter long and a height of 8 centimeter and a length of 11 centimeter. And here we can see the other things also. So to buy this product you have to click on the add to cart button. So then you have to click on buy button, then you can just follow the instruction to make the purchase. And I strongly recommend downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money. Thank you for watching.